Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medaswi Commerce Classes. So in this video we are going to solve with the model question paper 3. As soon as we complete with the model question paper 3, we are going to complete with all the model question paper. After this I'll do a small video on your expansions, and after that so many students are asking me to solve so many type of problems. So I'll try to solve as many problems as possible. Okay, fine. Now we'll move on to this model question paper. Okay, choose the correct answer from the choices given. When fixed amount is withdrawn on the first day of every month, interest on total amount for the year ending will be calculated for. For how many months interest will be calculated? So you have to calculate the average period here. So average period, how do we calculate? See here, first day of every month. Average period equals, what is the actual formula? Average period equals longest outstanding period plus shortest outstanding period divided by 2. See here, every month you are withdrawing. In a year, how many months will be there? 12 months. So first day if you withdraw, after the first withdrawal, still it is 12 months is there. 12 plus 1. See, last shortest outstanding period at the last withdrawal, still how many months are pending? 1 month is pending. 12 plus 1 by 2, that is 13 by 2, which comes to 6.5. That is nothing but 6.5 months. 6.5 months. So if you have done with the average period method for calculating the interest on drawings, it will be very simple for you people. On dissolution of the firm, partners capital account are closed through realization account. Non-current assets are expected to use in the business for a longer period of time. Percentage of each liability to total liability. Each liability to total liability, in which we are going to find it out. Common size. See here, liability is given. To confuse you, they have given common size. But here it is income statement, here it is balance sheet. Liabilities will come in the balance sheet. In income statement, we are going to compare it to the revenue from operation. In balance sheet, we are going to compare it to the total. So it is common size balance sheet. Don't put both the above. They have clearly mentioned each liability to the total liability shown in, not income statement, common size balance sheet. Dash are especially interested in the average payment period. How you are going to make the payment? What is your payment criteria? What is your bill paying pattern? Like for example, you have purchased some goods and services from the suppliers on a credit basis. Assume that you have purchased it on a credit basis. So you have to pay the money to them, right? So how you are going to pay the money to them? What is your bill paying pattern? Who is interested in this? Who is interested actually? Who wanted to know about this? The one who has supplied the goods to you, right? So the answer is lenders and the suppliers, because they are the one who are interested in knowing your bill payments, because they are going to give you the goods and services on a credit basis. So they are the one who are interested in this. Okay. Partnership is the result of dash between two or more persons to do business and share its profits and losses. Partnership is always a result between the agreement. If you have an agreement, then only you'll be having a partnership. Dash ratio is required for sharing future profits and also for adjustments of capitals. So future, if you want to share anything, you require a new ratio. Okay. Premium on issue of debentures is a capital profit. Next, dash statements are the basic and formal annual report. They are the financial statements. Cash flow statement prepared by dash method is used by most companies in practice. Indirect method. We have two methods of preparing the cash flow statement under the operating activities, direct and indirect. So indirect is most used by all the companies. So here the option does not belong as direct. Match the following. Gain ratio. Where do we find the gain ratio? At the retirement of the partner. Dissolution of the partnership. What do you mean by dissolution of partnership? That is closing down of the business. Next, issued capital. What do you mean by issued capital? Issued capital is nothing but it is a part of the authorized capital. Next, trend analysis. What do you mean by trend analysis? Trend analysis is one of the financial analysis tool. Next, liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratios are always short term in nature. They are short term in nature. Which one does not belong is long term in nature. Answer the following questions in one word or one sentence each. Write the formula for sacrifice ratio. What is the formula for sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio equals old share minus mu share. Sacrifice ratio is old share minus mu share. Deceased partner may be paid in one lump sum or installments with interest. Deceased partner may be paid. He can be paid either in a one lump sum or in an installment. That is true. Expand OPC. OPC stands for one person company. One person company. Can a company purchase its own debentures? Yes, company can purchase its own debentures. Give an example for extraordinary item. What do you mean by this extraordinary item? If you have incurred any loss due to fire, if you have incurred any loss due to theft, due to earthquake and all, those are the examples for extraordinary item. So you can write it as loss due to theft, loss due to earthquake, okay. Next, state any two differences between fixed and fluctuating. Already I have given this question. See, whatever the questions I have given in 2 marks, the same questions are there in all the 3 model papers. That's why I told you again and again, the 2 mark questions you prepare it, that is more than enough to take up your 2 marks. Okay, pass the journal entry to close the retiring partner's capital account when the payment is made immediately. Journal entry is retiring partner's capital account debited to cash or bank account. You can pay it through a cash or you can pay it through a bank. Retiring partner's capital account debited to cash or bank account. Give the meaning of issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Already discussed. How will you disclose the following items? Already discussed. State any two uses of cash flow statement. Already discussed. See, all the questions were repeated only. You read all the 2 mark questions whatever I have given to you. So here they have asked you the product method. New profit sharing ratio, don't attend. Product method, attend it. Death, attend it. Somebody have asked me to solve the problems on the death. Surely I will solve the problems on the death tomorrow. Until that, you people practice with the next set of problems. Okay. Next you have statement of profit and loss. See, in first paper, statement of P&L they have asked, second paper balance sheet, third paper again profit and loss. Next, cash flow, don't worry about the cash flow, just leave it. Here, I think they have asked you the admission itself. 2 papers they have asked you admission, 1 paper they have asked you retirement. Admission or retirement, my suggestion not to attend it. Yes, take up this dissolution. I am telling you again and again, I have done a video on the dissolution. You please go through that and prepare with the dissolution. In spite of telling me so many times, you people are just, dropping a comment that ma'am, please solve the problems in the realization. Please do watch the videos. It is already there in my channel. Next, yeah, here again premium they have asked you. I told you premium over subscription. Sometimes only 1% chances are in the under subscription. So premium and over subscription. See here they have written preference shares. I told you already, when they mention only shares, write it as share capital account debited, share application account debited. When they tell you equity shares, write it as equity share application, equity share capital. Preference shares, preference share application, preference share capital. Okay. Premium again. Next, yeah, here it is interest on debentures. Interest on debentures. I've already told interest on debentures also you have to prepare, and okay fine, here they have asked you to prepare the comparative. In 2 papers it is comparative and in 1 paper it is common size. In the last paper comparative P&L account, here it is comparative balance sheet, and totally ignore with your ratios. Okay, these are the problems which are there in your model paper 3. So as of now we are completed with all the model papers. Please go through with all the model papers and prepare well for your exam. Stay tuned to my channel for my next video. Thank you. Bye.